Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And well, Microsoft has decided to push Windows 11 a little further. So some of you that might have checked Windows Update and didn't see the Windows 11 update appear in your Windows updates or being offered to you, Microsoft has opened up a little more of the machines that can actually do this. So if you go to your Windows Update, you might actually now have a little square that says, or a little window that says that your PC is ready to upgrade to Windows 11 and that you can do this. So this is the next step. At first, there was just really a small subset of people that saw that they could upgrade to Windows 11 through Windows Update, but now a little more. Microsoft also kind of put a timeline saying that what they are looking at in the future is the possibility to push Windows 11 to everyone that is compatible on their Windows 10 machine. It's going to be offered to everyone mid-2022. So that means you might not see it. Some people might not see it before the middle of the 2022 next year. But Microsoft says by that time, there should be availability for pretty much everyone compatible and using Windows 10. Once again, it is an optional update. It's not pushed, and so it doesn't really... you're not gonna, have to go to Windows 11 as long as you don't want to. So just make sure that you know that you don't have to go there. And Windows 10, like I always say, Windows 10 is fine, works great, and you can continue using Windows 10 as long as you want. So a little more people are now possibly getting Windows 11. And like I said, by mid-2022, pretty much everyone on Windows 10 can move on Windows 10 compatible, of course, can move on to Windows 11. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.